Hello, it's time once again for joke of the day. Okay, so in today's joke, a man's mother moved to Miami and he heard that she was feeling lonely. So he decided to have a parrot sent to her. So he has the parrot sent to her. And then a few weeks later, he gives her a call and says, "How's the parrot?" And she says, "He was a little tough. I think I left him in the oven too long." And the man says, "You ate that parrot? That parrot spoke 7 languages. How could you eat that parrot?" And she says, if that parrot was so smart, why didn't he say something before I put him in the oven?" Alright, well, that's the joke for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.